If you're experiencing a verification pending status on MediaFire, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your email. Make sure to check the email associated with your MediaFire account for any verification messages. Look for an email that requires you to confirm your account or complete the verification process. Step 2. Resend verification email. If you haven't received the verification email, log into your MediaFire account and look for an option to resend the verification email. Click on this option to have a new email sent to you. Step 3. Verify your account. Once you receive the verification email, open it and click on the verification link provided. This should complete the verification process and change your status from pending to verified. Step 4. Clear browser cache. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Shrek to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact support. If you still see verification pending after following the previous steps, reach out to MediaFire's customer support for assistance. Provide them with your account details and explain the issue for quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the verification pending status on MediaFire. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further help from their support team.